in the event that either you're not going to leave or you're not able to leave, the clothing that you're wearing can make a difference. Non-polyester cotton clothes, leather gloves, leather boots are really important. It's a lot closer to what we wear. Removing your window shades, those flammable curtains that we talked about that heat can radiate to if you have time is important. Shut off your air conditioning. Why might that matter? Where does that air that flows through your house come from? Outside. So if that has smoke or in some instances even embers that can be drawn into your house. Shut all your windows and doors. If you do maintain power, if you haven't lost power, leaving your lights on. You guys saw that black rolling cloud that was blacked out the sky, right? It makes it very hard to find a home in that kind of situation. Leaving your lights on can help firefighters locate your property. And we talked about this, and I think this is the most important thing that you can walk away with. There's no amount of property that's worth any of your lives. So when you do get that call, when the alarm goes off, when your phone rings, leave. Don't hesitate. Go to your pre-planned meeting location. Part of the reason that's so important is our number one priority as firefighters in general is protection of life, then property, and then natural resources. So we can't effectively fight the fire if we're still trying to rescue homeowners. So by you leaving allows us to get in quicker and do everything we can to protect your property. So just a quick recap. Kind of frame this with that ready, set, go concept. The ready is preparing yourself and your home for wildland fire, the structure itself and the landscaping. Set means that you're aware of what the conditions are. You're aware that we're still in the middle of a fire season and we may have to react again, hopefully not. But you have a kit, you have things that are important to you that you're going to need to sustain yourself for several days. And to go when you're asked to go so we can do our job in protecting your property. You know,
the only reason I said that is because where I live, I was literally about a quarter mile from where one of them started.
Yeah.
And I in the morning was looking out and seeing this giant wall of smoke and fire coming through the woods.
Yeah. You certainly, if you ever feel like you're in jeopardy or feel comfortable, don't wait for that knock on the door because there's only so many law enforcement, and when you have thousands of houses threatened at one time, that can very easily exceed capacity, especially when every county around you is burning as well. So I really appreciate y'all's time. I'll give you my contact. You can get a hold of me anytime with any additional questions. I'll stick around to answer questions that you might have now. But hopefully this gives you a little bit better of understanding. It's a process, a learning process to acquire this information and put it to use. But I think that if you do, yourself, your homes stand a much better chance of surviving the wildland fire. So I'll take any questions you might have now. Yes, sir.
You've seen the three country homes that have huge oak trees shading the home from the hot west sun, and they're right up against the house. And the branches, they go up and they get up there every winter and you trim them back, and they're still only 3 feet above the house. How do you feel about those kinds of situations?
You know,
Even if the lawn is 30 feet of, non-combustible green grass.
it's really hard. I'm not saying it can't happen, and I've seen spots get into the crotch of trees and ignite them, 20 or 30 feet up in the tree. The reality is that there's not a lot of fuel around the base of that tree. It takes a pretty significant amount of kindling to get a big tree going. The chances of spreading up that tree aren't as significant. The value that the tree adds to the property is really what they're thinking about, the energy efficiency. Sometimes that outweighs what you could do in response. And to have a perfect landscape, it would be a concrete house with gravel all around the entire perimeter, and that's not very acceptable to any of us. So what we suggest is that people mitigate for those values, and that's their pet tree. And if you try and tell them to cut it off the property, you're going to probably get escorted off the property. I know that's what my wife would do. So I think mitigating around those things that you care about is the next best option.
And what about young trees? How high up would you trim the laser fire?
You don't want to injure the tree. And a good rule of thumb from an arborist standpoint is not to prune more than 25% of the living green on taller trees, you know, when you're mowing the lawn, you don't want to hit yourself in the head with the low-hanging branch. So 6 to 8 feet would be a good rule of thumb on the larger, more mature trees. On the smaller trees, you know, especially ones that are getting going, you don't want to injure them. So prune them according to how much vegetation they have, or how much foliage they have.
So it's more the underbrush and the dead material that cause the fire rather than the trees and the taller trees anyway.
Well, in this instance, it was a combination of both. You had very active crown fires, but it has to get into the top of the tree somehow, right? And it has to travel from the ground where the fire starts, in those cases, up into the tops of the trees. So by mitigating that mid-story, those brushy fuels and the fine fuels, you're actually protecting those larger trees and minimizing the chances that a fire could get up into the tops and run through the tops of the trees as an independent crown fire. And we had instances where it was burning through the tops of the trees on this and many other fires. But in a lot of cases it wasn't. It was burning along the ground. It would have flare-ups when it hit a pocket of fuel, and then it would keep traveling through those smaller intermediate fuels.
So the pine straw, okay, what you call it, wasn't able to catch pine trees on fire, it's the underbrush and the layers of stuff that go up to the top.
I don't know if that's accurate, because I saw areas where it didn't appear to have brush that just had pine straw, and they got hot enough to damage the trees. Rich, correct me if I'm wrong. The question was, accumulation of pine straw enough to ignite some of the larger trees that burn? And I think in some cases it was, but I think in a lot of cases that was understory and brushy fuels.
Yeah, most times in order to get fire into that upper canopy, like in our area here, you'll have that yopon understory, you'll have great needles in it, that fire will spread along that pine straw, ignite that understory, and then that'll force it into the crown of the pines. But in some cases, you can have enough pine straw on the ground that you'll get 1 or 2 trees that'll torch because of that heavy pine straw, and then get up in that canopy and move horizontally through that upper canopy. So a good rule of thumb is to separate that mid-story, all that underbrush, from the bottom portion of the canopy of your pines. That gap keeps that fire from moving into that middle story and becoming very intense and then getting into the canopy.
One thing I'd like to add is, part of the values that we want to protect are the trees. It's part of what makes the community so great. And so you can kill a tree without killing the top. And there's a very thin layer, most of y'all probably know this, of living tissue around the tree. But if there's accumulation of pine needle, you can actually kill that tree without it really ever igniting the tree itself. It may not die right then, but you kill that living material that sustains that tree. So if you want to protect your tree, you do the same thing as protecting your home. You get rid of that continuity of fuel that can burn right up to them. You get rid of the ladder fuel that can get it up into the top of the trees and minimize the amount of vegetation in proximity to it. Yes, ma'am.
I'm understanding how the planning of the property is crucial to fire prevention. Not that I'm gonna stay right at the time I see the fire truck coming, but as a homeowner, what could you do, if you see a fire imminent, but not, so close that we need to get out of there? What should we be doing?
Okay, certainly, it's a good question. We talked about